Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the MSW Surf Forecast app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. MSW, short for Magicseaweed, is a surf forecasting app that provides surfers with detailed wave, wind, and weather reports to help plan their sessions. It includes long-range surf forecasts, live surf cams, tide charts, and swell analysis for thousands of surf spots worldwide. The app also offers star ratings, swell height charts, and wind direction indicators, giving surfers a complete overview of expected conditions. In actual use, many surfers value MSW's reliable swell predictions, accurate tide information, and global spot coverage. The live surf cams are particularly useful for checking real-time conditions before heading out, while the app's clean interface makes navigating forecasts easy. Frequent updates ensure surfers get timely and relevant data. On the downside, accuracy can vary for less monitored locations, and interpreting the data may be challenging for beginners unfamiliar with surf charts. Some premium features, like HD cams and extended range forecasts, require a subscription, which may not appeal to occasional surfers. In summary, the MSW app may be worth using if you want a trusted, data-rich surf forecasting tool with wide spot coverage and live cams, especially if you surf regularly or travel to different coasts. However, if you surf infrequently or prefer free access to all features, the premium subscription might not be necessary. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.